Hi ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am so excited to be doing a fall haul featuring ASOS. And yes, I know I'm wearing white right now. It is Labor Day weekend when I'm filming this, so it's the very end of summer. I am so sad that summer is ending because, as you guys know, I am someone who loves summer, I love spring, I love all of the clothes that come along with spring. I'm still dressed very summer-esque. The temperatures have not dropped yet here in New York City. However, all of the stores have started to pull out their new fall collections. So I'm really excited to show just some fun ideas as you're thinking about doing your shopping for fall. Just some really cute, like girly chic kind of fun fall outfit ideas. So I hope that you enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. So I have this giant ASOS bag. I did an online shopping spree, basically. I have a lot of really nice pieces in here that I'm really excited about. I hope that I like everything, but I'm going to try them on and review them as I go. So yeah, let's open this up. It's so big. I feel like I almost forgot what I bought, but I know I got a lot of pink and a lot of white, so. Alright, so this is the first outfit, the top and the skirt. The top, embarrassingly, is from Hollister. I did not realize until I just pulled it out and looked at the tag. I was like, oh, where is this from? Hollister. That is so embarrassing, but thankfully no one will know unless you tell them. Apart from this tiny little tag. It's not the seagull or anything, don't worry. If it was, I would return it. But it's just this tiny little piece that no one will notice. But yeah, it's a very soft pink turtleneck with I don't know if you can see, but the bottom sort of comes into like a point, like the fabric kind of crosses here, which I was drawn to because it reminds me very much of something that I would have worn to ballet over my leotard. I'm so into like the ballerina kind of a look, if you haven't noticed. And then the skirt is from Miss Selfridge, which I actually really like. This reminds me of such a total, like, actually I was going to say Cher, but you know what it reminds me of is oh, what's her name? Not Regina George, but her best friend, the brunette. Oh, this is gonna bother me, I need to look it up. Gretchen Wieners. Is this not almost an exact Gretchen Wieners outfit? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna look for a picture on the internet and put it up here. This is such like a Gretchen outfit, but I love it for that reason. I just feel like I'm like, this top is very warm. I'm like sweating right now because my AC is off, and again, it's still summer. But I will absolutely love and adore wearing this when it comes to fall and winter. I just think I love the fact that it's cropped because you can really pair it with any other skirt. The only thing that I will say about this skirt is that it is so short, like inappropriately short. I don't know if I could get away with wearing this to work, honestly. It's probably too short, especially since I was thinking about wearing this with boots and not necessarily tights. However, it is so cute. It's such a cute outfit, so yeah. And by the way, all of these outfit pieces will be linked down below if you're interested in getting anything, so yeah. The next piece is this sweater dress, and this is from ASOS' own brand. So yeah, it's super warm. I love that it has the balloon sleeves. That's honestly what drew me to it. I love the balloon like puff sleeve trend, as I've mentioned, and also the turtleneck, so you definitely will stay warm. It is very kind of fitted here, so whew, I kind of feel like I can't breathe, or I feel like I can't like eat. I'm not so sure how flattering it is, to be completely honest, but I feel like this could look really cute with a pair of suede over the knee boots. I feel like it kind of needs a belt, so let me put that on and see if that helps anything. Alright, so I've paired it with a belt, and I feel like this does help a little bit. It breaks it up, it gives me more of a waist. let me know what you guys think. Do you like this? Do you not? Do you think I should return it or keep it? I'm really not sure, just because of, I don't love wearing belts with dresses. I know that it can be a very flattering look, but for me, I just don't love it. So, and I don't feel comfortable wearing this without it, so not so sure, but let me know what you guys think. But other than that, it is really cute. I love that it has these puff shoulders as well as the sleeves. Again, it is super warm. I'm burning up. And yeah. Next is this ribbed turtleneck, again ASOS's own brand, and it is a beige, kind of off-white cream color, and I really do like it. It fits very nicely. The fabric feels good. I feel like this is a very staple piece to have in the fall winter that you can just pair with any skirt. I've paired it with this skirt that I got from Shein. I absolutely love this skirt. I feel like this top would be really nice, would look very nice with a pink skirt. Just any pink A-line skirt, over the knee boots, good to go. So yeah, I really do like this. I think out of all of the pieces, I think this is one that I know that I am 100% for sure keeping, just because it is so nice and it can be so versatile. What do you guys think? The next top is another turtleneck, another cream turtleneck. You can see a pattern here. I find that just cream turtlenecks are perfect for winter. You can pair them with so many different things. But this one is from the brand, I'm totally probably pronouncing this wrong, but it's Stradivarius. And it's almost like a little pinhole kind of a pattern. And again, a turtleneck. This one is almost like a faux turtleneck, a mock neck maybe it's called, where it doesn't actually roll over, it just kind of comes up like this. So it's definitely very warm. The fabric is a little bit thinner than the other one, but I can tell that it is a nice quality. So I know that a top like this will definitely keep me warm in the winter. I've just paired it with this skirt from H&M. It's older, but just any sort of gray, pink, or even black skirt with some accessories, maybe a cute scarf or a cute hat would be really nice. And yeah, I definitely like it. I think it's really nice. So the last outfit piece is this pink bubble top. This is from River Island. Again, it's a turtleneck and it has these little baubles on it, which really reminds me a lot of the cream bauble sweater from And Other Stories, which is what drew me to it. I've been trying to get my hands on that sweater for so long. It says it's coming soon on the website, but it's sold out. It was from last winter, fall. So, so it reminded me of a pink version of that. And what I love about this is the fact that it kind of comes in together at the bottom here, so it makes it very easy to tuck into a skirt, which can be hard with some sweaters if they're bulky like this, but this one kind of comes in. It's like it's asking to be tucked into a skirt, so it's perfect for that. It is super warm. I'm dying again. And yeah, the one thing that I'm not so sure on is the fact that the shoulders come up or puff out a little bit here, because I do already have wide, broad shoulders to begin with, so it kind of makes me a little bit self-conscious to emphasize that. And so I don't want to appear like an upside down triangle like a guy's figure, so I have to be careful. I don't know, I just like, I don't know, maybe it's all in my head, but anyways, I do like this. I think it's super cute, and I've paired it with this black skirt that I got from Something Navy, actually, from Nordstrom, one of her first releases. And yeah, but any A-line black or cream colored even skirt would be really cute, again with a pair of over-the-knee boots. So yeah, I love this. I think that this is really cute. And I love that it sort of has this zigzaggy pattern with the baubles in it, and this pink of this shade of like almost a warm pink I think is very, very sweet. I absolutely love this color. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your favorite outfit pieces were, or maybe what your least outfit pieces were. If you're like, girl, you should return that. And otherwise, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Also, my Instagram account is called The Fashion Squirrel, and I post daily outfit inspiration on there, so feel free to head over and give me a follow, and hopefully I will see you guys next time. Alright, bye!